How to create a polls in Google Forms. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in Google Forms. Now, without any delay, let's get started. First, you need to go to your browser. Once you're in the browser, in the search bar, you need to simply type Google Forms. Then, you need to click on the first link that appears. Now that you are here in the Google Form homepage, you need to click on blank form. Once you have done that, in order to create the poll, you can change the title of the form. Now, you need to simply upload the question over here. If this is the questions for the poll, you need to simply add the option over here that says yes, and in order to add the another option, you need to click on add, and here you need to simply type no. Then you can even remove the other options, and that's how you do it. You have now created a poll. Now if you want to publish the poll, you need to simply click on publish option over here, and then you need to click on publish. And that's it, your poll is now published for the viewers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.